Welcome back to another show of Jaden Games. Gonna play this Hurricane Simulator. It's sad. Yeah, I prefer Atlantic. Start the season. Controls. Spawn storm. Advanced options. Can try. Hi. What the? Oh. Then it goes to Santo Domingo. Then never end. Did someone just got? Oh my god! Oh my god! What the? There's another one called Bonnie. Controls. I sped it up so I won't have to do more. Okay. Oh my god. Lebarone. Lebarone is so deadly, man. Man, it even ate another one. I need to spawn. Got Colin. Oh my god. It's going to St. John's or Nook. Stats. Colon, Bonnie, colon. Come on. A rare news probably for Nook. I finally affected. Well, let's another one. Farara. Kunna. I'll call it Henry. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's already a low pressure. Now, you know what? I feel like I should rage quit.